Hello there. In this tip, I want to show you how you could take text that may be upper and lower case and then change it to all uppercase, and vice versa. If it's all in all upper, change it to all lower using Google Sheets. It's a very simple formula. We'll just go ahead right here. Um, if you have data, you can copy it into one column, and then let's have a second column next to it. And then let's go to cell B1. And then right here, I'm going to go ahead and change this to all uppercase by entering the formula equals upper. And then let's um, figure out which cell we want to change to uppercase, and I'll do A1. And just like that, it changed it to all uppercase. Uh, Google Sheets may auto fill everything to uppercase if they realize that's what you want to do, or simply take this little dot right there, have the crosshair, and pull it all the way down, and then it took everything in um, column A1 to A5 and made it to all uppercase. If you want a shortcut to make it things all lowercase, we'll go ahead and go to this cell E1, and then we'll go ahead and put equals lower, and then we'll figure out where we want it to start, which will be cell D1, and then there you go. This one time it suggested the autofill. I'll go ahead and press the check mark, and everything went to lowercase. Even if we did have upper and lowercase, it changed every word, or even if you have sentences, to lowercase. So hope you enjoyed this tech tip. Thanks for watching.